From what we have done with positive point, okay? And repeated points is the continuously repeating. Again, this also repeating. Kusal and Amba continuously repeating. Should not be there.
I am presented to debate this topic and provide protection and aimed at safeguarding the condition of my own marriage divorce.
Yes, yes.
Negative point, Amba.
Negative. A very good morning to all respected students here. I am Naushin Mudar from Standard 9. I am going to tell our demerit of widow remarriage. Due to widow remarriage, widow women face very problem and not given a very respect to the in the society.
Louder.
Advantage of the widow remarriage. If a widow gets remarried, she will know more about herself, and this may lead the happy life for their new married life. Thank you.
What we have done?
Negative or
Negative.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Suraj Prasad from class 19 Kotia branch. Let's start the negative point. Society discriminates the widow's family.
society discriminates widow's family. Yes.
She was looking outside the people drenched in color. She wanted to be a part of them, but there is a border of white sari in between them. A few years later, whispered and smiled towards her second room while applying sindoor. Yes, she was getting remarried on Holi. So towards this, what I am going to share of positive thoughts towards you. Widow remarriage often involved older individual who have been emotionally mature. Thank you. Not allow her remarry her husband's parents.
Good.
And all the three branches again with the same score. So clap for yourself.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Sakshi Singh from Standard 8 from Husar branch. My point is that science and technology provides greater opportunity in innovation and progress.
My name is Divyanshi and I am from Kushar branch. My point is it helps in environmental monitoring.
Technology and science.
It has provided us with number of agricultural equipments like seed drill, combine harvester that saves both time and labor.
So, in this time, you heard the name of ISRO and NASA. They can using the spacecraft mission to go on satellite and launching all the vehicles. When they can not successful, then after they can come in any type of ocean and disturb all the aquatic lives on the oceans, and that's type of negative points of that technology. So I can use to represent in this.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Sakshi Singh from Standard 8 from Husar branch. My point is that science and technology provides greater opportunity in innovation and progress.
And pleasant morning to one and all present out here, Honorable Chairperson Ma'am and all the class teachers and my dear schoolmates. Myself Sonakshi Kumari and I came from Ambakala from class 8. And my negative points is technology can destroy the human mentality when they can using calculators. So that my point I used to support.
To you all, this is Surbi Kumar from Amba branch. So technology is that which makes interaction all over world. Earlier we peoples were using letters or postcards by which it takes lot of times to contact with peoples. But now with the use of smartphones, laptops, we can just stay connected with anyone who lived anywhere in the world. So this is boon for technology. Thank you.
Western culture is not very strict.
My question is to negative respect of that. The child asked. I'm not talking to he is asking. The boy is asking. Yes, you have to be negative respectful to that.
Western culture. My name is Pratik Raj. My
Time lapse.
Time lapse.
Time lapse.
Take my views in favor of against of language English. For non-native speakers, it's very hard to speak English because English has complex grammar, spellings, and pronunciations. Thank you.
From class 8 from Kotia branch of Civil. My topic is in the favor in the negative
Favor.
in the negative
No.
in the negative.
In the negative, ma'am.
We know that science and technology
Negative point.
We know that science and technology developed in many fields. Like there are new motorbikes, trains, factories are present, but it's harmful for us because it releases poisonous gas like nitrogen oxide. It's defect our environment and also defect the ozone layer that is protecting layer of the earth.
Yes.
Mother tongue, it has to grow up. A glorious good morning to everyone present here. Myself, Anubhavi of Standard 5th. I over here to present my views in favor of the topic important of English language. And my view is English is the most difficult language in the world. Thank you.
You can speak your point. First, you introduce yourself. Okay. Go ahead. 1 minute. You stand up and tell what you are.
Time's out.
What do you have to do?
डिप्रेशन नहीं है कि नहीं बताओ, है ना? कुछ भी नहीं है तो क्यों कर रहे हो? कुछ भी बोलना है, कुछ भी जो आपको पता है, जिसके बारे में आपको 2 लाइन में पता है, अपना नाम बताओ, इंट्रोडक्शन को कटिए ना, आप नाम दे।
The turn start as usual. The turn start with Gyana Lok, and you all have to state it with the positive points. What is culture reference to? The positive aspect of culture.
Positive points from your Eastern culture. What positive things it has produced for the society and family. You have to show. You have to tell it. Smart.
फोन का आपका बनाइए ना
30 seconds you all have. Okay.
Standard 8 from KRS Public School, Kushal branch. I want to say topics about the advantages. My topic is that because of the science and technology, we can save the life of the people, those who are dying because of technology.
Myself, Sylvie Singh from class 8. I am present here in topic of science and technology in favor. With the help of science and technology, we try to do as possible as space research.
Space research.
Feel proud to your mother tongue as it only help you to grow up. A glorious good morning to everyone. Myself, Ayushman of Standard 5th, and I am here to present the views against the topic importance of English. Due to English, many people do not speak their local language, so it affects the local language, and due to this we are losing their local languages. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Harshit Raj. I read in class 8, KNS branch of Kotia. Science and technology helps in the medicinal growth.
Medicinal growth. Yes.
Good morning to all of you. I am Vaishnavi Kauri from class 8 from Cambridge Public School. Today I am telling about positive point of view of technology. With the use of technology, you can complete many tasks with a single click. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected director sir, principal sir, chairperson, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Niharika Kumari and I am a student of class 8 from Kotia branch of KNS Public School. And I'll be speaking negative point of science and technology. Science and technology is the reason for the addiction of children with online games. This makes them lazy and lose interest in outdoor games.
Yeah.
If education taken by a bad nature people, they always
Very good.
Good morning everyone, myself Asu from standard 8 of Amba, KNS Public School, Amba. My thought is negative, that is technology makes the student mind dull because when they get homework from school, they go at home and search from ChatGPT, don't they use their mind. Thank you.
Vanshika Kumari of standard 8. My view is it is a lead to cultural homogenization and it lost to language development. Thank you.
बताओ पोजीशन में यूज कर लीजिए. Why don't you tell her? Why am not you prepared? Yes. Yes. Student culture is
Followed by sister culture is followed by your ancestors. Education is a very important role of our life.
Very good.
I'm going to present my views on favor through remarriage. Remarriage allows a person to find love and comfort from another partner. Having a partner who understands your feelings. Thank you.
yes, very good.
I am Sakshi Standard 9 and I am preparing here from Amba branch. My side is negative point, so adjusting with a new partner and accept their love, care and concerns is more difficult and toxic. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Lisa from Standard 9. Today I stand before you all to say one point in favor of widow remarriage. Widow remarriage is good for our society as it provides social support to the widow, and if in the early age widow husband is dead, then they may face the social isolation, stigma and the social, and one of the most important merit of the widow remarriage is that it provides the widow social support.
They may also face economic insecurity, discrimination and stigmatization and harmful traditional practice on their marital living.
Positive point. Favor. Louder.
My name is Dino Mananam from class 9 from Amba branch. I want to say one point in favor to widow remarriage. Remarriage offers a financial support and stability to the family. To the family who stability and to get the more wages for this. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
morning to all of you present in this hall. This is Nityanand of Standard 9 from Kushal branch. And from my side, one demerit point on widow remarriage is that it increases the social stigma and the widows have to follow some rules and regulations made by the society for them, like they have to wear the white clothes, they are not allowed to enter in the temples, and this all leads to the social stigma.
Favor.
Yes.
Positive.
Widow remarriage can help to legalize. It is a positive example for future generation.
You mean to say that their children
Widow who remarry are not easily accepted in society. Widow who remarry are not easily accepted in society, and conservatives are opposed to this fact. Thank you. Good morning to all.
Against.
Good morning to all. This is Muskan of Standard 9 from Kushal branch. I am here to deliver this disadvantage of widow remarriage. Widow remarriage, if the widow have children, children doesn't like the new parents of the marriage.
favor?
Why is it not coming on? Why is it not? Why is it not in class 9?
Say louder. जोर से बोलो, वो लोग नहीं सुन पा रहे.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Kunal Kumar. I study in class 9. I am presenting to deliver debate topics is widow remarriage in favor. Widow remarriage acting as is one of the most social suffers towards the empowerment of women.
Empowerment of
Bharti, I am from Standard 9 and I am the representative of Ambakala. The merits of widow remarriage. Individuals who enter into widow remarriage often learn lessons from previous experiences. Thank you.
Is it this one disadvantage? Disadvantage. Actually, they said for. Disadvantage. Negative point.
One of the primary challenges of widow remarriage is dealing with emotional baggage.
Advantage.
Good morning to all present here. Myself Sumit of Standard 9, and one merit of widow remarriage is that in many cases it has been seen that widows have also small children with them, but unfortunately they have lost the shadow of his father from them. So if that widow is doing remarriage, then only of course widow will get a new chance to start her life, but altogether her children will also get a proper and stable family environment and a father figure.
Negative point.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vaidavan from class 9 from Kotia branch, KNS. My topic is widow remarriage in opposition. The loss of feeling safe.
Loss of feelings?
केवल तो मुंह बच्चे को ना सबको स्टेज पे आना चाहिए.
My name is Tanisha Kumari. I am here to represent Ambakala. Through my political thoughts, people who remarry have lower level of depressive symptoms compared to others who have lost their partner. glorious good morning to all of you. Present myself Abhyas Chandra of Standard 5th. Today I stand here to present my views in the favor of the topic importance of English language. Because of the English language, we can communicate with the world. If you don't use it, it weakens. Only good morning everyone. Present myself Ayush Kumar of Standard 5th. Today I stand over here to present views in favor of the topics importance English language. Because of English, many languages, maximum 400 languages, have been extinct world. As it helps you to grow up. A glorious good morning to everyone. Present here myself, Anamika of Standard 5th. I stand over here to present my against view on topic importance of English language. And my view is, I don't agree with my opponent friend because sometimes English help us to make forget our mother tongue and our own culture. It's like we are losing our precious gem that makes us who are we. Thank you.
Students, name your name. Point or three. Okay, that means everyone bring one point. Now we will go with second round.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Prashant from Standard 8 from Kusar branch to tell negative point. Science and technology is not important because of science and technology. Many towers are forming and the radiation of the tower affect our environment and the birds too.
To you all, this is Surbi Kumar from Amba branch. So technology is that which makes interaction all over world. Earlier we peoples were using letters or postcards by which it takes lot of times to contact with peoples, but now with the use of smartphones, laptops, we can just stay connected with anyone who lived anywhere in the world. So this is boon for technology. Thank you.
My name is Divyanshi and I am from Kushal branch. My point is it helps in environmental monitoring.
Technology and science.
My name is
अब माइक भी आ गया Very good. Clap.
English language is like a phrase.
First introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
I further directions. Yes, given.
English language is like a frayed, delicate muscle. If you don't use it, it weakens. A glorious good morning to you all. Myself Aditi Gupta of Standard 5th. I stand over here in the favor of the importance of English language, and my views are English language is like like a key that opens a door of the future.
To Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, Vice Principal Miss, and my dear friends, Well, my point is the sewage that comes from the homes, buildings and industries are treated in water treatment plants from where we are getting clean water. It purifies the dirty water. Well, with the help of technology, now we are able to purify the dirty water. Thank you.
I am Pushpanjali of Standard 6. I am representing Amba branch. And my point of view is that in India we wear traditional saris, but in Western we wear short dresses.
Very good.
Western culture that is ours is good for people. Hi everyone, my name is Vansi Kumari. I read in class 6. I branch is Kotia branch of Kenes. Okay. Eastern culture that is ours is good for people.
And pleasant morning to one and all present out here, Honorable Chairperson Ma'am and all the class teachers and my dear schoolmates. Myself Sonakshi Kumari and I came from Ambakala from class 8. And my negative points is technology can destroy the human mentality when they can using calculators. So that my point I used to say.